What are verbs? Verbs are the actions taken by someone or something. Like, for example, someone did something, it was an action taken by that person. Then that action will be considered a verb. Also, we can consider an object, like some machine did some task. That can also be considered a verb. So, for better understanding, let's take a few examples. Like, Rahul runs faster than Tina. Here, as you can realize that running is an action taken by Rahul and Tina. So, running will be a verb in this sentence. Similarly, we can take an example of an object like my toy robot can walk and talk. So here, as you can realize, walking and talking are both actions taken by this robot. So this can be considered a verb. So guys, did you understand this topic? And if yes, you shouldn't mind us taking a pop quiz. So I will say sentences and you have to figure out the verb. Ready? Okay, let's get started with our quiz. My mom cooks delicious food for me every day. So here, cooks will be the verb. Why? Because cooking is an action. I walk to the park every day with my brother. So guys, here walk will be an action taken by the boy and his brother. My mom and I like to shop in the market near our house. Why? Because here the verb is shop. So here I meant it as we like shopping.